Hi, I'm Sean from Restore It.
Hi, Sean. I have some questions for you.
Okay.
Okay. What was happening with the vacuums before?
We were getting to the jobs and the vacuums. We didn't have no vacuums on the truck, so we couldn't vacuum houses and stuff. And the purpose we're here now, we're wanting to show people how to put the vacuums on the truck and strap them in.
And why is that a problem?
Because you get to a house and you ain't got a vacuum, and you got drywall and dust on the floor, and sweeping the dust and putting it in a dustpan still causes dust everywhere. With the HEPA vacuum, you vacuum it up, it holds it in the HEPA filter. There's no vacuum on the truck. Let me get one. Here it is. The vacuum always supposed to be on the truck. I don't know who took it off. We put it, it's supposed to be right here.
Why are you strapping that in?
We're strapping it in so when you're hitting bumps and stuff, it don't fall over and break. You want to hold it in and make it where it's tight, where it don't fall over. Right. Just like that. Are you ready to go clean carpet? We got our pre-spray ready. We got our vacuum, it's strapped in. We got our pre-spray, and we're ready to go.